Well, hi there, everybody, and good Monday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski. As strong winds have moved in behind a cold front that came through last night, that's the biggest issue this morning. We have had strong winds through a good chunk of the overnight, especially after midnight, and those winds are still strong out there this morning. The other thing we have is a very quick moving band of snowfall that's moved. It's now in eastern Nebraska as of the time I'm recording this, which is shortly after 7 o'clock here, so I can almost adjust this here. And this is actually off. It looks off by about an hour because that snow is just moving into Lincoln as I am talking here just after 7 o'clock. So anyway, that band of snow, it's not going to leave a lot of heavy snowfall, light accumulation, and a little dusting of snow, but the blowing snow is going to cause poor visibility. Should be out of here pretty quickly. Well, most of us are going to see a lot of sunshine today. The winds will be very strong out of the north and northwest, and then towards the end of the afternoon, as the sun goes down around or just shortly after 5 o'clock, that wind will die down quite a bit. So we'll see much lighter winds tonight, a few passing clouds, chilly again during the overnight hours. Tomorrow, a few degrees warmer, partly cloudy skies, not as much wind. The winds after today look a whole lot lighter for much of the rest of the work week. We'll try to inch those temperatures up a little bit, I think, especially as you get to the southwest of that cold or that warm front there. So southwest Nebraska looks like they'll have the best weather tomorrow with the warmer temperatures there. Highs today will be much colder than yesterday. We saw temperatures in the 50s yesterday. We'll have to settle for 20s and 30s today with the coldest temperatures across the northeast, warmest temperatures to the southwest. Later on, as we get into tonight, I think a lot of us will see teens, maybe a few low 20s out there for overnight lows. It'll be another cold night, but nothing unusual for this time of the year. And then tomorrow, just a little bit warmer. Highs back into the 20s across the north and east with more 30s to the south and west, including lower 30s in the Tri-Cities. Might make it above 40 degrees in southwest Nebraska. And then we'll continue to inch those temperatures up. Wednesday gets a little bit better, mid-30s around the Tri-Cities, more 40s to our southwest, still 30s across the north and east, and maybe still a couple of 20s in the far northeast. There might be a pretty sharp temperature contrast from northeast to southwest as we get into your Wednesday. So there's the 3-day forecast temperature-wise. You can see that kind of summed up for the Tri-Cities. Again, the snow is done in the Tri-Cities now. So I have that icon on there. I might as well go in and take it out. The snow ended about 6:30 this morning. The winds will stick around though all day long as temperatures will struggle. Slowly warming the next couple of days, and by Thursday and Friday, better weather. Anytime you get above 40 in December, I think you're doing just fine. That's the case for Thursday and Friday, especially when we're not talking about wind or precipitation, nothing like that. We're doing pretty good. Changes will happen this weekend, though, as colder air is going to dive back southward starting Friday night into Saturday. We might get a small chance of light snow Saturday. I debated putting it into the forecast. I did decide to throw it in. Small chance of what looks to be mainly light snow. It will be fairly breezy on Saturday, not as windy as today, but still breezy. Sunday's the better chance of snow right now, and that could be more of a Saturday night and a Sunday time frame here. What basically looks like is going to happen is we're going to see a storm system pass through the middle part of the country Saturday night into Sunday, and that looks like it would be more favorable to our south, but may clip the southern parts of Nebraska, northern Kansas. Now, of course, we're still 6 days out from Sunday, and there's still a chance that we can see big-time changes in the forecast models before then. If we see a shift southward with this storm system, we might get little, if anything, with precipitation. If it shifts farther north, we'll probably be talking about more accumulating snowfall. It does not look like a significant winter storm. I don't think we'll see a ton of wind with it, but we'll probably see at least some accumulating snow for some parts of the area, pending a big shift to the south in a new forecast model. So we'll kind of have to stop and keep an eye on that over the next couple of days here. So, and because there's a little uncertainty with that part of the forecast, I'm not going to go into too much of the long range forecast the next 10 days here. It does look like we might start to warm it up a little bit towards the very end of next week, or the middle and end of next week, back to maybe closer to average, if not above average temperatures here. But until then, we've got to deal with the chillier conditions this weekend. And of course, the colder conditions to start this week. Big changes from what we saw this past weekend, which was so nice around the area. All right, with that, I'm going to let you all go. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you all have a wonderful start to your work week. I'll see you all again on Tuesday. Take care and God bless. Bye.